Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good. Today we're going to talk about animals.
Animals.
Do you remember the animals we did last time?
Yes.
What's this?
Snake.
Snake. Can you repeat?
Snake.
Can snakes fly?
No.
No, they can't. Okay. What's this?
Fish.
Yes, it's a fish.
It's a fish.
Can it swim?
Yes.
Yes, you're right. What's this?
Whale.
Yes, it's a whale.
It's a whale.
It's a whale. What's this?
Bird.
Bird. It's a bird, yes. Can birds fly?
Yes.
Yes, they can. Can they swim?
No.
No, they
Only
can't.
ducks could swim.
Yes, you're right. What's this?
Turtle.
Yes, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
What's this?
Fox.
Fox. It's a fox.
It's a fox.
Can it run?
Yes.
Yes, it can run very fast. Okay, how about this one?
Zebra.
Yes, it's a zebra.
It's a zebra.
What color is it?
A black stripes and white
Oh.
stripes.
Yes, you're right. What's this?
Ladybug.
Yes, it's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Can ladybugs fly?
Yes.
Yes, they
can.
Yes, they can. And what's this one?
Frog.
Yes, it's a frog.
It's a frog.
What color is it?
Green.
Green. Yes, it's green. What's this big animal?
It's a bear.
Yes, it's a bear.
It's a bear.
Can bears fly? No. No, they can't. Okay. And what's this?
Horse.
Yes, it's a horse.
It's a horse.
Can it run?
Yes.
Yes, it can. Okay. Now, do you remember the song we did last time? About the horse and the fish and the frog, right? So, let's sing it again, okay?
Look at the fish, look at the fish. It can swim, it can swim. Swim, 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 swim. Look at the horse, look at the horse. It can run, it can run. Run, 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 run. Look at the frog, look at the frog. It can jump, it can jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Okay, good job. Good. Now, we have some more animals here. So, what's this?
Hen.
It's a hen, yes. It's a hen.
It's a hen.
Okay. What does the hen say?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Yes, you're right. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Okay, next. What's this?
I forgot the name.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. What does the sheep say?
Ba.
Ba, ba. You're right. What's this?
It's a cat.
Yes, it's a cat.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. What does a cat say? Meow. Okay, what's this animal? It's a goat.
Goat.
It's a goat.
It's a goat.
It's a goat. And then here we have a
Dog.
dog, yes. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
It's a dog. And then we have a
Horse.
horse, yes. It's a horse.
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Can it run?
Yes, like here.
Can it swim?
No.
Can it fly?
No.
No, it can't. What's this?
Cow.
Yes, it's a cow.
It's a cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Okay. So here we have some more animals. How many goats do we have?
2.
Yes. So we have 2 goats.
2 goats.
2 goats. Okay. And then we have 1 cat. And here we have another cat. And another cat. How many cats do we have?
3.
3. So we have 3 cats.
3 cats.
3 cats. Okay. Now, here we have 1 cow. And we have another cow. How many cows?
2 cows.
Yes, 2 cows.
2 cows.
2 cows. Okay, good. Now we have 1 dog and another dog. How many dogs?
2.
Yes, so we have 2 dogs.
2 dogs.
2 dogs. Okay, and the last one we have 1 horse
1 horse.
and another horse.
Another horse.
That makes?
2 horses.
Yes, 2 horses.
2 horses.
2 horses. Okay, good. Now, here we have a farmer, and his name is Old Macdonald. Okay, and Old Macdonald has a farm, and on his farm he has some horses and some cows. And we have a song about this. Old Macdonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so let's sing the song. Here we go. Old Macdonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, good job. So, now let's have Old Macdonald here. And let's put the cat on the house. So where is the cat?
The cat is on the house.
The cat is on the house. Okay, now the dog is under the tree. Okay, the dog is under the tree. Can you repeat?
The dog is under the tree.
The dog is under the tree. Now the cow is between the tree and the house. Can you repeat?
Yes, the cow is between the tree and the house.
The cow is between the tree and the house. Okay. The horse is next to the house. Can you repeat?
Yes, the horse is next to the house.
The horse is next to the house. And the sheep is in the tree. That's a bit funny, right?
Yeah.
Can you say? The sheep is in the tree.
The sheep is in the tree.
The sheep is in the tree. Now let's repeat. Next to the house.
Next to the house.
On the house.
On the house.
Between the tree and the house.
Between the tree and the house.
Under the tree.
Under the tree.
In the tree.
In the tree.
Okay, good. Good job. You did a good job today. So, our English lesson for today is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rebecca.
Bye-bye. See you
Bye-bye.
next time. High five.